In this video, we will learn how to make a software which will verify the given year is leap year or not. The video is fast for saving your time. I hope you will like this video. Now we are making a function. Now we are making if, and else statement. Now we are writing the four mathematical formulas to calculate a leap year. Sometimes keyboard problem like this. Now we are setting an infinitive loop in if-else statement. I will recommend you to always use a function in code. Let's have a look in our code. Shit, again error. I need to read the code carefully. I am writing division sign in another style. Oh, style does not matter. We need to be very careful about our spacing in code. Because just like other languages like Java, we do not need to use here semicolon. Let's have a look at our code at a glance. Have you have patience? Without patience, no one can be a coder. In code, we need to be very careful about string and integer. Let's finally run our code. Error teaches us how to code. I think you guys know Python is a dynamically typed language. I think I forgot to use f string. Oh, here's the bug.